My name is Brad, and on today's tips and tricks, we're going to discuss a common occurrence that happens after changing a filter on the Powermatic 1250 air filtration system. What we've found is that after a filter change, the customer is not able to get the machine running again. The most common occurrence is that they don't have the cover seated properly. When you remove the cover, you're going to grasp this outer ring and rotate it to the left. You'll pull it off. You'll also notice at this time that the red ready light is no longer illuminated. You'll place the cover back, ensure that it is seated properly around the machine, and pop the cover back to the right, at which time you'll see that the ready light is back on and the unit is operational. And that's it for today's tips and tricks. I hope that was helpful. Looking forward to seeing you next time.